Welcome back. The Supreme Court's decision to strike down the ban on the registration of 2-litre and above diesel vehicles in the Delhi-NCR region earlier this month may have offered some temporary respite to German automaker Mercedes-Benz, but not before causing enough damage. In his very first interview after the Supreme Court's decision, Mercedes India head tells CNBC TV 18's Farah Bukwala Vora that the company will miss its growth projections for 2016, and the 5-year expansion plans have suffered a setback as well. Take a look.
What we have seen was that we were able to, on a very short notice, actually move a significant amount also of petrol versions that we had actually set up and allocated to other markets and dealers, that we could basically shift them over into the Delhi market or NCR market, and that helped us also compensate some of the potential losses that we would otherwise have seen. We could have had a definite 2-digit growth. That was also our anticipation for this year. This did not come to existence, unfortunately, but we were still able to keep everything in shipshape.
So are you going to end this fiscal with a single-digit growth rate, or would you be able to quantify that?
No, it's still too much early to see. I think what has changed in India is that the overall attitude towards diesel is now reviewed, at least. Yeah? What you see and what we see on the short term here in Delhi is also that people are thinking twice about whether it's going to be diesel or whether it's going to be a petrol version. So some of the changes, and we see that in a range of maybe where it used to be 20%, trending towards 30%, that this is a definite trend that we can basically define. However, still at the moment it's not really known, is that going to be sustainable? Is that going to continue along those lines, or is it going to stop somewhere?
And you can catch that entire show at 5:30 p.m. today only on CNBC TV 18.